like in kindergarten again. Okay, so I'm gonna try and make my own little Moravian star right here, and let me show you how to do that. Like this. So you need 25 points, 17 big ones and 8 smaller ones. The top and bottom have the same color.
Yes.
Like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. The basic of it is first you make one on the top and one on the bottom of the same color, and then you skip like a place, and then again the same color, same color, same color, same color, and in between you fill it up with the other color. Alright, like let's choose some colors.
Yes, that's great.
Yeah.
And then you take one of the square ones, the red ones first.
Yeah.
And put it on and hold it for 3 seconds.
Okay, we'll do this. Yeah. Okay.
Awesome.
Look at that. It's fixed. Actually, yeah. Can somebody tell me why the star is in white and red?
Okay.
You can like leave the answer in the comments, you know. Then let there be light. And yeah.
Perfect.
Look at that. Schön. So at the beginning of Advent, you get a Moravian star, put it above something, and then you have a lovely time with family and friends. And maybe you could add something to the tradition, like, you know, the mistletoe thingy, yeah, under the star, like a little kiss. Zacken drehen, like turn it, and okay, this looks easier than it is for sure. No idea where. And where do I put the, like, do I go here? Ja.
Hochschieben.
Ja. Langsam hochschieben.
Und dann
Langsam hochschieben, ja.
ja,
So.
und eindrehen dabei.
Hochschieben und eindrehen. So. Hochschieben und eindrehen, und dann geht das einfach so, ja. Oh lala. Okay.
Ja, das ist für den Anfang.
Ja. So, au. It's dangerous. No. So this, yeah. So this is not how to do it. Just I'll give you an example. Come a little closer. Yeah. this is how it should be. This is no. Yeah. Okay, but we keep trying. It's like.
You don't have to turn the point.
Ah. Yeah, that's not really very awesome. So yeah, the glue is gonna dry. So now you do it like in an envelope. There we go. Ta-da! So we re-glued the paper. Ai, ai.
Ja.
Muss ich ein bisschen besser? It's look, there is progress. this is progress. And this really is not easy. Verdammt.
Spitze, direkt in die Spitze.
Ja, so.
Ja.
Dann dreht das schon rein. Oh, there's enough glue. Oh mein Gott!
Und jetzt?
Drehen.
Nee, hier, unten. Genau. Ja, so.
Ja, aber.
I feel like in kindergarten again.
Und das noch im halben Jahr.
Aber we have evolution. You know, this is the very first one. This is the one you can see through. This is the very first. This is hope. This is hope. This one is more hope. Really hard. Like earlier in the workshop, I saw this lady. She's doing a point like this every 5 to 10 seconds. Like done, done, done. Wow, that's just skills.